Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about a new tool in Adobe Illustrator. It's very simple and makes your work easier. I'm talking about Eyedropper tool. Let's start. Eyedropper tool is used for picking up color from any photo or design, like this. I can take this color, or this color, or this, and also I can take this color from the background. And the second rule of this tool is coloring by it, like this. If I make an ellipse and set it to default, like white, and now I want to pick up this color and fill the ellipse with it. I will use Eyedropper tool, pick up the color and click on Alt button to fill the shape. You can also use Eyedropper tool to take the fill, stroke and the size of the text, like this. I will select Eyedropper tool and click on the first text, Alt button and click on the second text. I take the color, the stroke and the fill and the size. And the same thing for the shapes, like this. I have here blue and red, and I will take the fill and the stroke to the second shape. Eyedropper tool, select the first shape, Alt and click on the second shape.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.